Yes. Alright, I started recording. Not that much, James.
You have to get a spoonful.
Do it the other way. Do it the other way. The other way.
What other way?
This way.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, James.
Okay, there it is.
Oh my gosh, you're so stupid. I'll turn it back
Are
now.
you recording?
Yes. Eat over here. Do it.
Wait. Ew. Oh god. Was it funny?
Yes. My gosh, James, sweep. Oh, don't clean your tongue with that.
I didn't. I cleaned my lips.
James, I saw your tongue come out. You clean your tongue with it. There, you did it, and I recorded it. So what was it? How were you supposed to do that?
You're supposed to swallow it.
And you couldn't?
You can feel your nose stinging, like a little bit, and then like you can't feel your tongue. Then like,
Look at your teeth.
ew, that's disgusting. Are you done?
No.
Okay, I'm done.